your very free guys. So today I'm coming at you with a DIY. I am so in love with today's DIY video. Oh my gosh. So I've been seeing this like shelf or photo ledge all over IKEA, all over Pinterest, all over Instagram, and I've been trying to find one that would fit in my awkward little nook in my house. I've had zero luck. So today's video is exactly that. I'm going to show you guys how to make your very own DIY shelf or DIY photo ledge. If you're interested, stay tuned because we're about to jump right into it. Let's do it. Alrighty, for today's DIY, you're going to need 3 pieces of wood. You're going to need one that's taller, which is going to be the back of the shelf. You're going to need one that's kind of a medium height, and that's currently off camera right now, but you're going to need that for the front. And the piece I'm gluing on right now is actually going to be the stubbier piece, which holds the 2 pieces together. So all I did there was I grabbed my wood glue and I simply glued the pieces together, and I made sure to add some pressure there to make sure that nothing shifts or moves as I'm filming. Now here is the medium piece I was talking about earlier. All you want to do is repeat the exact same steps I said before. You want to grab your wood glue and simply glue the 2 pieces together and you have a shelf. Ta-da! Not a completed shelf, but a shelf. Now again, all you want to do is add pressure to it because you definitely don't want this to slip and slide. Once you're done that, you can go ahead and grab some clamps. I got these clamps from Home Depot. Super cheap, by the way. And all I'm doing here is clamping down the pieces of wood together to make sure that they don't move and make sure they dry evenly and with a good amount of pressure to keep it all together, you know? So that's all I'm doing here. Now I let mine dry for 24 hours, but I'm pretty sure it dries really quickly. So you probably don't have to wait 24 hours, but I did to just be extra safe, you know? Hello, hello. It is a new day now. We're in a completely new setting, and I have my boyfriend helping me this time. So what we're doing here is we're drawing little dots on either side of the wood piece, or the shelving piece, I guess. And we're just drawing little dots on either side so we know exactly where to nail the nail. So all I'm doing here is grabbing a nail and nailing it down on where I drew exactly on either side of the wood piece or shelving piece. Now all you want to do is repeat those same steps on the other side, measure it out, make sure it's symmetrical, draw little dots, and then nail away. What I don't show you guys is that I end up adding one more nail to the front and back of the shelving piece. I ended up adding one in the middle, in the front, and the middle, and the back as well. Once you're done nailing all the pieces together, you can paint your shelf whatever color you want. I painted mine white, and now my dad is helping me, and my dad is drawing little dots on either side of the shelving unit so that he can drill symmetrical holes on either side. So here he is drilling. This is so satisfying to watch, by the way. Anyways, he's drilling holes into the wall now so that the shelving piece can go up and be displayed.
That's easy. You know what I'm doing now. Okay.
Okay, but like, how cute is my dad though? Oh, so precious. Anyways, he's just tightening up the shelves here using a screwdriver to make sure it is secure and safe and nothing's gonna fall, because that would suck. So this is the final look. I am in love with it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am obsessed with how it turned out. Like, oh my gosh, guys. Can we take a moment to appreciate how good it turned out? I love it so much. I hope you guys also like today's DIY. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to DIY your own photo ledge. Or actually, let me know in the comments down below what I should add to my photo ledge. I kind of have like these placeholder things right now. I have some DIYs displayed, I have some books displayed, but I'd like to add some prints and stuff like that. So let me know in the comments down below if you have a cool website I should reference. I'd love to hear. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Yeah. Have a wonderful day, a wonderful life, and I will see you next week. Bye!
Whoa, 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 whoa. I wanna fly, baby, fly.